Tomorrow, on the 31st of May 2023, Clint Eastwood will be 93. So, I'm putting my model that before I sold for money, about $20. I'm putting it away for free for 1 day for Clint Eastwood's birthday. This is the model. It's not great. It's I must say myself that it's worse than many other things that other people created, like side show collectors and everyone, but still it is a model that I created myself without help from other people, and I appreciate that from myself, that it created myself. And although it's not very great, of course you saw these videos of Clint choosing the best models for 3D print that he can from his movie memorabilia by sideshow collectors. But right now, all you need to know, for 1 day only, the 31st of May 2023, when Clint is 93, I'm putting this away for free. So get it now if you want, of course. Yeah, I'm putting it away for free right now, even that it's still the 30th of May, not the 31st. Get it or forget it. Thank you, and do you feel lucky, punk? Thank you. All the best, and happy birthday, Clint Eastwood, and may you live as long as it takes the humanity to figure out the ways to live for thousands of years. Thank you. All the best, my best actor. Thank you again. I said it about 5 times. Thank you again. Too much. Thank you.